Get it, Clyde? Marley, stay out of it. Uh-oh, three-way. Marley's going to come in and take it. Three-way, tug of war. Get it, Clyde. Pull. Pull, Clyde. Pull, Clyde. There you go. Sit down. Give yourself some more strength. Oh, you guys are also tough. Marley! Marley! Marley, go get it. Take it, Marley. Hold on, Clyde. Hold on. Don't give in. Marley, are you going to really be cleaning them while they're having tug-of-war?
What's incredible is that when they're in deep water and they sleep, they have the ability to rise up, breathe, sink back down again underwater without waking.
Look at this. Look at Clyde. How cute is he?
Even so, they should never be approached without the water, especially after dark.
Oh, Cooper won! Cooper won! Cooper won! Oh! Get it, Clyde. Oh, are you trying to scare him, Cooper, with your growling?